Hi kids! A for ant. A-N-T, ant. Oh, what a big ant! B for bear. B-E-A-R, bear. What a big and tall bear eating grass. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. A cute cat. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. What a handsome dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The elephant is happy. F for fox. F-O-X, fox. A lonely fox. G for gorilla. G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. What a big gorilla. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. I love horse. I for iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. A big and black iguana. J for jaguar. J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. Looks like a big cat. K for koala. K-O-A-L-A, koala. Koala eats leaf. L for lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. What a cute lamb. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. The monkey is intelligent. N for nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, nightingale. Nightingale is singing a song. O for owl. O-W-L, owl. What a beautiful owl. P for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. The peacock is dancing. Q for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. The quail is singing a song. R for rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. A white and beautiful rooster. S for sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Black sheep. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. What a cute baby tiger. U for uakari. U-A-K-A-R-I, uakari. It is a red monkey. V. V for vulture. V U L T U R E. Vulture. The vulture is looking for something. W. W for woodpecker. W O O D P E C K E R. Woodpecker. Look, baby woodpeckers. X. X for xerus. X E R U S. Xerus. Oh, it's eating something. Y. Y for yak. Y A K. Yak. What a big yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. A dancing zebra. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe this channel.